What sets beef pares apart from other dishes? With its unique flavor profile, which is both bold and comforting at the same time. But let's be real, making beef pares at home can be a bit tricky. Join me as I try to make what could be the most delicious Filipino beef pares recipe ever. Let's see if I can nail it. So, how do you overcome these challenges and make a truly delicious beef pares at home? First, let's start with the ingredients. I like to use chuck beef, which has a great balance of fat and lean meat. You'll also need some onion, garlic, and a few aromatics like star anise and bay leaves. In a hot deep casserole, add some oil, then sauté those onions and garlic until they're soft and fragrant. Next, add in your beef and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's time to add in our aromatics. The flavor of this will add to the recipe, and I can assure you that the beef will taste delicious when it's done. Fill the pot with enough water and bring everything to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for at least an hour, or until the beef is tender and falls apart easily. While the beef is cooking, let's add on our spice blend. We will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a 1/4 cup brown sugar for the sweetness. Add a 1/4 cup soy sauce, 80 grams of oyster sauce, add half a cup cornstarch, mix with water. Bring everything to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer until the sauce has thickened and turned into a beautiful glaze. And now we can add the garnish to make the dish stand out. Isn't it beautiful? If you're enjoying what you see, take a moment to like this video and subscribe. It really helps us out and keeps the good vibes going. And hey, if you have any feedback or video ideas, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And there you have it, folks. The moment of truth. Our beef pares is finally ready, and it's absolutely stunning. The beef is tender, the sauce is sticky and sweet, and the rice is cooked to perfection. Take a bite, close your eyes, and let the flavors transport you to the streets of Manila. So, to recap, to make this delicious beef pares, you're going to need to follow these simple steps. First, sauté your onions and garlic. Then, add in your beef and cook for at least 1 to 2 minutes. After that, add in your aromatics and fill in enough water, then cook until they're tender. While the beef is cooking, add on the spice blends. Finally, add in your cornstarch and garnish it with some green celery and let it simmer for another minute or until the sauce has thickened and turned into a beautiful glaze. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you've got your own beef Pares recipe or a favorite Filipino dish, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more Filipino recipes, be sure to check out my other videos for some inspiration. See you in the next one. Enjoy cooking!